during the years, it is expected that you get some kind of management skills during your career. So talking about plan design, that is my main expertise. When you are a junior engineer, you are expected to do calculations, process simulation, and etc., and develop the engineering deliverables for the project. But as you develop your career, as the years pass on, it is expected that besides doing this kind of activity, you are able to deal or to interface other disciplines more and more, that you are able to supervise junior engineers right now and to deal with customers, with the project manager, or with the operating manager, operations, business, and etc. So it's a common path during your technical career. You incorporate to your duties and responsibilities social skills and management skills, and can have you can reach a time when you can decide. Some companies it's easier to do that than others, that can decide if you will keep yourself with focus on technical skills, or if you will have drive your path to the management jobs. So it's the epsilon path when you can decide which path you should choose. When you are develop your career in technical jobs, eventually you will have the options to go to the management. But if you start your career in the management after 2, maybe 5, 10 years later, it's much harder to go to the technical. Let's suppose you start your career in the corporate sector, dealing with management, and you verify after 5 years of in this job that you don't like that you don't support the stress, you don't support the level of deliverables that you are pushed to deliver the goals and etc., and you want to return to the technical skills, to the technical job. It's harder to do this return, because you didn't develop the necessary skills, you don't know the technical skills, and a senior skill, a senior professional, you will be a senior professional, but without the knowledge of a junior engineer. So, and that is hard to deal with. But if you have 10, 15 years as a process safety engineer in a company, eventually you will have experience managing people, managing contracts, managing suppliers, and etc. So it's easier to you go from the technical to the management. And if for any reason you don't like that, you don't are not comfortable with the job, you eventually can return to the technical job. So that is something that you must consider when you are building your career, when you are starting your career.